Here, let's see. Here, back up for a minute. Let me see too. Look at 3 little babies. 3 itty bitty babies.
They're so cute.
Yeah. Are you excited?
But we're keeping one.
Yeah, we're gonna keep one baby.
And we've done 2. Soon enough. When did the bigger? Oh, they have.
She's looking. She sees them moving. She's like, hey, those are my babies. Let her in there.
She's so good though.
Mm-hmm.
So now we have to pick her up now.
Yep, just leave her though. She probably has a sore tummy. Let her in there. She's making sure that nobody took any.
What?
She's being a good mama.
Yeah.
Pet the mama. Pet her and tell her she's a good mama.
She's better so big.
Mm-hmm.
What is she doing? Oh my god.
Don't scare her. You got to move very slow because you don't want to scare her, and then she'll take her babies and hide them.
How?
Oh,
She
moves
carries them, honey.
She moved them there.
Yeah. Where'd she have them?
She had them in the kitchen on the blanket.
Yeah.
Woke up this morning. She's at the door crying with one of the kittens in her mouth. I open the door. She runs right up to Alicia and lays with Alicia with the kitten.
Yeah.
Like that kitten in her bed.
Yeah.
All are different sheep. Different girl, different boy, and different boy.
Had them right in front of
There
us.
was 2 boys and 1 girl. 2 boys and 1
Maybe.
girl.
You never know. We'll have to
Yeah,
look
we
and
don't know.
see.
Isn't that
Can you
exciting?
name them?
Can we name them? Yeah, we can name them.
How this one can be blue cow because the other one is missing. Pink flower, she's so cute. I love pink flower. And she's cute little baby.
Mm-hmm.
Took his surprise away.
Wow. Pink flower, baby.
Hey, babe.
I can't keep one.
So, I am at the bus stop getting Davy and Angel, and they do not know yet that the baby kitties were born, so it's going to be a huge surprise for them. They had asked me this morning, and I told them that they would have to wait and until after school to go find out, so they know that as soon as I pick them up, we're going to go there and see if the baby kitties were born. So I've got about 15 minutes. Gabby, she didn't end up going to school today, so she's been there all day with those baby kitties, and I can't wait to see how excited Davy and Angel are, because Gabby was so excited this morning. And it's a rainy day. Actually, most of the rain held off, so it was supposed to rain and thunderstorm all day. It thunderstormed last night, but it's starting to rain now, so it rained a bit earlier, not too much. So I'm curious to know if it's going to thunderstorm again tonight. But I love thunderstorms, so it's full of energy. I love it. So they should be here, and take them over, and we'll see how excited they are with those baby kitties. All right, so I picked up Davy and Angel from the bus.
My tooth is wiggly.
Your tooth is wiggly.
This one is wiggly.
Yeah. So.
There's Leah.
Yeah. So, do you know what the surprise is?
Where's Leah's mom?
I don't know. So we're at Alicia's house, about to get out of the car, and it's starting to pouring rain. So.
We're going to see the baby kitties.
Baby kitties came. Yeah. How many do you think there is? How many do you think there is?
12.
12?
2.
No. 2. What do you think, Angel?
1.
1. So the.
No, 3.
And what color? What color do you think?
Orange. Black.
You think orange and you think black.
Gray.
And gray. Okay.
And blue.
They're not going to be blue. Kitties aren't blue.
Only turtles are.
All right, so we're going to go in and we will see how many
Squirtle
kitties.
is real.
How many kitties and what colors?
Squirtle is real.
The smallest one.
I really like this one. want to keep this one separate.
Okay, one hand at a time.
I really
No.
Just one hand at a time.
Nobody's holding them.
Just a minute. Yes, you can pet 1 minute, Gabby.
Mom, I was right. It's black and gray.
Black and gray, eh? Let Angel have a turn.
You didn't name her yet.
No. Get back.
I
Let
don't
me
know if
see.
it's a boy or a girl. Yeah.
We're not
This
yet.
one is girl.
I can't see. I can't see. She's like, hey, where's my baby?
Oh, they're so cute. Can we keep one?
No.
Keep the black one. Let's keep the black one. I really want to keep the
Okay, 1
smallest
minute,
one.
babies.
Oh, God.
Did you see that one, Angel?
It's all black.
Yeah.
That's like my little dog.
Hey, she's starting to meow at me. Hold on. let me
Don't
show
move
you
around
guys
too
the last
much.
one.
Is it big?
You see, no, she's fighting.
Yeah.
Baby. Is that the biggest
This is my favorite.
Mine
Get
is
back.
my favorite is the smallest.
Look.
That's just like Tiger.
It's got some orange on it.
I was right.
It's okay, baby.
Yeah.
Mom and Dad told guys. But I was the rightest one. I want to keep the smallest one.
We're not keeping any kitties, David. You can't have a kitty.
Stay right now. Can I keep one when it gets older?
No.
No. You already have kitties. No, we don't have any more kitties. Look. How can you sell them right now?
No. They got to stay with their mama.
Yeah. They're going to keep all of them.
No.
They're going to miss their mama.
No. Don't put your hand down there.
Can I touch the baby one?
No.
Can I touch the
Nope.
big one?
Nope. Can't even touch the mama. Just only Alicia.
Emmy.
Because right now, she's really scared and she just wants to protect her babies. She might bite you.
Me and Mommy like him.
Yeah, she might bite. Trying to protect her babies.
Yeah, but I love it. She pays for her baby. How much are there?
3.
Three.
Yeah, you were right.
I said 12.